wanna come out here? This phone's a street, I be gassing her, yeah. I'm a player, yeah. She won't fuck with me, yeah, baby, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Payton, and today I'm back with another video. As you all have read by the title, I'm back with another hair review for you guys today. Today I'm going to be reviewing this hair from ISEE Hair. This is a company that's not on AliExpress, and I've heard a lot of things about them, so I decided to give them a try. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video with my installation, and then I'm gonna come back and give you all my overall review and tell you all how I like this hair thus far. And without further ado, let's hop right in. So I have already bleached the knots, and I did customize the lace just yesterday. When I took this out of the packaging, I literally just bleached the knots, washed it, and then I customized it and flat ironed it, so it's already ready to go on my head. I just wanted to show you guys like this hairline. It looks super duper natural. Like you can see it on like even my hand, and the lace is basically transparent. And there's 4 clips on the inside, 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom, and 2 on the sides. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this lace in the back. Alright, I think it looks pretty good. So this is what it looks like with no bald cap method right now. And I don't think it looks bad. I'm just gonna take some of this and put it on the hair. I usually never show this, but I just wanted y'all to see, like, I really be messing up my wigs when I first install them sometimes. So it's really not, like, you're not always going to get it perfect. I literally messed up and I just had to take the entire wig off and re-glue it down. But I did the same thing that I just showed you guys. I just had to bring it down a little bit more because it was basically coming off my head with the first position that I had it in. So this is me just redoing it, the entire freaking gluing process, and I just decided to speed through it since I literally just showed you guys that. And I'm just gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes. Alright, I'm back. So it actually wasn't 20 minutes, it's probably been like 10 minutes. And untie this. Okay, y'all, so I'm basically done. This is what my baby hair is looking like. Now I'm just gonna take this pressing comb and just run this through the hair. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. I feel like the lace looks really good like in the center of my head. So a quick side note, but I also continued plucking this wig after I recorded this. But yeah, the shedding, I'm pretty sure it's because this is a full lace wig, so it's like easier shedding because it's like in the lace, like it is not on like a weft or like a wig. But yeah, so that's basically it. So that was it for my installation, and now I'm going to be telling you all how I like this hair this far. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my unboxing. The hair did come in this white box. This wig that I'm wearing is a part of their Princess series. So to get started with the specs before I hop right in with the unboxing, this is their ISEE Princess 13x4 lace frontal wig. It's 180% density. It's Brazilian body wave, and the length is 24 inches. They gave me a coupon code for $6 off. It's Princess XOXO, so you guys can use that. There's a bunch of other discounts and coupon codes that they sent me, and I'll put that in the description box below. So to get started with the unboxing, it did come pretty quickly. I want to say it took like 4 or 5 days to come. I know there's kind of like a delay with shipping right now because of coronavirus season, and I'm always telling y'all that there has been, like, for some reason a lot of companies are running low on wigs, so they take a long time to ship and not everybody has everything in stock. But finally I got to review a frontal again because a lot of companies have been trying to send me closure wigs, and honestly I prefer a frontal wig because, you know, you can do like the edges, baby hair, put your hair up, put your hair down, you can do whatever. You can do a lot. Inside of the box it says this is their ISEE Princess. On the box it does say it's their ISEE Princess Brazilian hair, 180% density, 13x4 frontal wig, and it also has that it's body wave texture and 24 inches, so you know exactly what kind of wig you got. It came with this inside of it, and it was also in this netting. The box did come a little bit banged up, if you guys can see, but I mean the wig was fine. So also sent me some goodies. They sent me some wig caps in the color tan. Love that. They also sent a elastic band to add onto the wig. I didn't decide to add this onto the wig because the wig pretty snug on my head, and I also used the adjustable strap that came in the back of it, and I put it on the tightest setting. And then they sent some really cute 3D mink lashes. This is their ISEE Princess series, and I'm assuming these eyelashes are part of the Princess series as well. Companies, I guess they're starting to like upgrade to bomb eyelashes. Like I'm seeing that now. Like these are really cute 3D eyelashes, so I probably try these on and then I'll show you guys what they look like. I'll probably put a picture or a video in this video, but these actually look really cute. There is another company that sent me some cute lashes too, so I see y'all hair companies, y'all stepping it up with the lashes. Okay, no more of them cheap lashes. And they also sent this is just a little pamphlet that also tells you about like hair care tips, gifts that you can get if you leave some feedback, and then their contact information on the back. So this is just a little informational packet. She's so pretty. So that's it for the unboxing. Alright, so to just go ahead and quickly hop into the pros and cons, I'll just go ahead and start off with the pros first. So the pros of this hair, I really did like that the lace was invisible. I can definitely say that this hair was pre-plucked, so I didn't have to pluck it too much to get it to lay like flat on my head. I think the frontal is very versatile, and the lace, like the wig lays very flat. The hair is super duper soft and silky. Like I like to run my hands through this hair, but the only thing is, I guess, which we'll get into the cons as well, is that this hair does shed a lot. I had a lot of shedding when I first took it out of the box, and I bleached the knots and I washed it. So when I washed it, that's where the most hair was coming out. Then I wore this hair for about a week and a half, then I took it off, washed it again, and then put it on my head. The second time that I washed it, it was just like the first time. There was a lot of hair coming out. but there hasn't been any tangling, so I can say like there's shedding, but there's not really tangling. And I think that's like the main thing with this hair. It's just the fact that it sheds a lot. That's the only thing I would say is kind of like problematic about it. But I do really want to like it because it's like soft hair and it seems like good hair. And then the other con that I can say is it doesn't like always stay straight. So this is a body wave wig, so it does revert back pretty easily. So if I lay on this hair for too long, or I sweat, or any little thing can make this hair just wave up a little bit, which is not my cup of tea. But I think if I were to like put some waves in this hair, like crimp it or curl it, that it would stay. Because not only is this hair like super soft and lustrous, and you can tell like it's like, I don't know, it feels good quality. I know like me saying that it sheds kind of takes away from that, but it feels good, like, if that makes sense. I like the lace, and I did like that the perimeter was basically like pre-plucked. Now I've had this wig in now for like another week, so in total I've probably been wearing it for like 3 weeks. And yeah, it remains the same. It doesn't stay that straight, but it is really nice, soft and pretty. And then the lace is nice. It was pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do a lot to it. The baby hair, you know, the baby hair makes me happy. And the cap fit really snug, so it wasn't too big. I almost thought, I mean, I guess it could kind of be too small, but I just ended up pulling it down a lot more and making my forehead a little bit smaller. But I don't know, my forehead looks kind of big right now, so I don't know. I feel like the cap was small, but it doesn't feel too small to where it's like uncomfortable. Yeah, so that's basically it. I think overall I would give this hair like an 8 out of 10. The only thing that's holding me back from giving it like a 9 out of 10 is the fact that it was shedding a lot and that it wasn't like staying straight. The fact that it sheds a lot and the fact that it doesn't stay straight kind of makes me want to give it a 7, but I'll go ahead and give it an 8. And I didn't really have like any other issues beside that. On one of my videos where I was talking about like the worst hair vendors, I did see some people talk about this hair company, which is why I wanted to give it a try. And I don't think it's the worst, but you know, you never know. But you know, if it does switch up, change, or anything like that, I'll be sure to let you guys know in the comments, or I can make another updated video, or it will go on my best or worst vendors list and you guys will see that. That's really all I had to say about this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big giant thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below if you like this look, if you love it, if you're gonna try out ISEE hair. Let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.